Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate your new debit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using it safely and securely. Step 1. Carefully remove your new debit card from the envelope it arrived in. Check that your name is spelled correctly and that the card is not damaged. Step 2. Locate the activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your card or in the letter that came with it. This number is typically toll-free and available 24 hours a day. Step 3. Call the activation number from your registered phone number. Follow the automated prompts, which will ask you to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 4. Verify your identity by providing personal information such as your date of birth, social security number, or answers to security questions that you set up when opening your account. Step 5. Create a secure PIN for your card when prompted. Choose a 4-digit number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid obvious combinations like your birthday or sequential numbers. Step 6. Alternatively, you can activate your card through your bank's mobile app or online banking portal. Log into your account, navigate to the Card Services section, and follow the on-screen instructions to activate. Step 7. Once activation is complete, sign the back of your card immediately with a permanent marker to add an extra layer of security against fraudulent use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.